Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. In today's video, you'll learn how to make a watercress syrup for coughs and earaches in children. One of the best remedies for relieving respiratory problems are certainly syrups, especially natural ones that you can make at home. Isn't that right? Right here in the channel, we have already given you some recipes. The syrups have expectorant properties that help clear secretions in the respiratory tract and also contain nutrients that the body needs to boost immunity. That's why in today's video, you'll learn how to make a watercress syrup that's full of properties that help with coughs, flu, and colds. Have you ever tried watercress syrup with honey? Watercress syrup helps detoxify the lungs as it has decongestant, expectorant, and liquefying properties. It also helps moisturize the lungs and helps relieve coughs, sore throats, and upper respiratory tract inflammation. Amazing, isn't it? Write down the ingredients. 1 handful of well-washed fresh watercress leaves and stems, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of honey. Put the water in a pot and bring it to a boil. When it boils, turn off the heat, add the watercress and let it steep, covered for 15 minutes. Then strain. Mix the liquid with the sugar, return to the pot, and cook over low heat until you have a thick syrup. Stir frequently over low heat so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pot and burn. Let the syrup sit covered for 2 hours. After this time, add the honey, stir and store the syrup in a sterilized glass container with a lid. It's recommended to take 1 tablespoon of this syrup 3 times a day. Although it's a natural remedy, you should definitely consult a pediatrician because these symptoms can have different causes and can be allergic, viral, or infectious. So if a fever, malaise, green mucus, or shortness of breath appear, it may indicate a more serious problem. Make the recipe and then let us know what you think. If you like the recipe, share it with your friends and family. I wish you good health. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.